When individuals have different development goals, can a country have just one? This brings us to a critical idea: national development. National development refers to the overall progress of a country, not just in terms of income, but also education, healthcare, equality, and quality of life. But here's the challenge: when people's needs are different and often conflicting, how do we decide what the nation as a whole should pursue? Take a moment to reflect: what do you want for the country? Your answer might be better education, clean drinking water, job creation. Your classmate might say faster highways, more industries, or stronger defense. Both are valid, but not necessarily aligned. This shows that different people have different visions of what national development should look like, and at times, those visions may clash. In a democratic country, decision-making must consider what benefits the majority, what is just and fair, whose voice is being heard, and whose is being left out. For example, a dam project may generate electricity and jobs, but it may also displace thousands of people. Is it development if it helps industry but harms local communities? National development must be inclusive, not just growth, but growth that lifts everyone. We often hear that a nation is developing if its income is rising. But is that enough? A country's growth means little if schools remain under-equipped, healthcare is unaffordable, the gap between rich and poor continues to grow. That's why true national development looks beyond GDP. It focuses on quality of life, equal opportunities, and long-term sustainability. So how do we define national development? We begin by asking, does this plan work for all, or just a few? Are the poor and marginalized included? Are we protecting our future or exhausting our resources? These questions are essential because national development isn't just about buildings and factories. It's about building a future that everyone can belong to. Let's recap. National development means the collective progress of the entire country. Different groups have different needs and priorities. Real development must be fair, just, and inclusive. Economic growth alone is not enough. We must consider well-being, equality, and sustainability. As citizens, we must ask not only how much a nation grows, but who benefits from that growth. In the next section, we'll learn how countries are compared using key development indicators. Stay with us.